So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can import a bunch of coordinates from Excel into AutoCAD. If we have a look at the top of our table here, we've got our X, Y, and Z, and these are the coordinates for each point that we're going to place in the model space. This is probably the simplest and quickest way of doing it. There are other ways, but if you want something quick and easy, this is probably the method for you. What we would be doing first is we're going to concatenate each row. So we'll go up to our formulas, go to text, and go to the concat function. And what it's going to ask here is what text do we want to concatenate. First of all, we're going to start with row 2. So we'll go click on A2. You can see that's placed in here, followed by a comma. Text 3 will be B2, comma, and the last one will be C2. And that's going to create a text string with 0, 0, 0. You can OK that, and then just fill that down. And that is all the coordinates in a string using these rows. Simply what we can do is select all them and copy. Go over to our AutoCAD model space. Click on Draw Points. And we can just paste that text right into the command line. And you can see that all the points are now imported, and they're even, if we roll that around, you can see that they are in the right position along the Z as well. It's a very simple method, very useful and very quick. And that's it, pretty easy. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe.